In every home, the sound of a dripping faucet is a familiar yet frequently overlooked nuisance. This seemingly minor issue is not just an annoyance but a silent perpetrator of water waste, significantly contributing to elevated water bills and unnecessary water consumption. Particularly in the Accokeek area where every drop counts, addressing this problem is not only about saving money but also about conserving our precious water resources. Don't let a dripping faucet drain your wallet and our environmental resources. Take action today by calling 888-501-1193 to connect with qualified plumbing professionals who can repair your plumbing issues efficiently and effectively. Remember, fixing a leak is not just a repair, it's a contribution to a more sustainable future.